Meet the Johnson family. We were brought in to solve the case of the missing robot litter boxes. Allegedly, someone has been disposing of every single new one they buy. There's only one left in custody. Why do you think that is?
Isn't it obvious? It's because the culprit witnessed the Popur S7, the automatic litter box that outperformed and outlasted its competition. When I first heard about the case, I was intrigued, but not surprised. Through my observations with other drum-shaped litter robots, cats have little room to turn. Their rotary drums are smeared with waste. They frequently surrender to their poor design. And here, a cat victimized. But the Popur S7 was different. It boasts the split litter system, otherwise known as the SLS.
The SLS? Well, I've never heard of it.
Of course not. You're wearing earplugs.
Oh my. She's right.
The SLS consists of two components: a convertible litter tray and exterior waste bin. This design intentionally splits apart the two, routing poops through a fully exposed channel. Simply poop, remove, and discombobulate.
I'm not going to take the word of some loony detective.
The only word you need to take is caress.
Caress?
It is the foundation from which the Popur S7 is built upon. Clean. The Popur S7's cleaning mechanism is the best in-house. Clumps are wrapped by litter, sifted, and launched, minimizing dust and stains. Airy. While others rely on filters and fragrances, Popur S7 seals the stink at the source, locking odor in and throwing away the keys.
Smell? What smell?
Exactly. And because the corrosive chemicals are strictly isolated, the many electronic components are protected, giving the Popur S7 a robust longevity. Taking care of your cats has never been more effortless. Simply wipe down, clean up, snap in, and slide out. It has a large litter load and the capacity to hold a full week's worth of droppings for 5 cats. It's carpet friendly, can power a camera, and is empowered by the Popur app. It's spacious, with a ventilated, open-top design offering unlimited headroom for all majestic chonkers.
He's on a diet.
Elementary. The Popur S7 is large, deep, and fashioned in the form of your cat's favorite tray. No drums in sight. Not only is it soft, but it offers room to roam. But most of all, it's 200% safe. Because when it comes to bailing your kitten out of a tight fix, the Popur is the top dog of keeping them unharmed. But who's been disposing of the competition? It has to be someone who truly loves their cat, someone who would go to any length to make sure they're taken care of, someone who won't listen to reason.
Fine. I did it. And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for those meddling detectives.
Well, it's not like it's a crime.
Saved me a haul.
Honestly, I would have done the same thing.
Oh. Well. Alright.
So then, what have we deduced? With the SLS system and remembering the principles of caress, it becomes unmistakably clear. The Popur S7 is quite unequivocally the perfect solution for any discerning household. Case closed. Back today and receive yours meow.